Morning, guys. It is, what's the day? The 11th of February, 2023. And the house is like 96.8% done, I think. That's about the number I'm coming up with today. So yeah, check it out. So this is the front view. Still got to do our landscaping. And we just thought we'd shoot the official video of what it looks like at this point. We started building in March, I think is when we broke ground of last year. Here we are February, so we're sitting at about 11 months. When we get inside, you'll see there's some stuff that still needs some attention. We're gonna be gone next week in Colorado, visiting Emily. So they're gonna come in here and supposed to tackle it. Let's see how they do with that. So here is the driveway. Got lots of room in the garages. That's the back 40 over there. That's us all the way to the telephone pole, and then across the back, telephone pole right along here. I think this rubble is actually right on the neighbor's property, kinda, unfortunately. And then, yeah, so we got a good little spread out here. And let's go in the front door. What do you say? Why don't you go first, babe? You wanna go first?
Sure.
Feel free to talk to the people.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, there's our sign, our address. We made that, didn't we, honey?
We did.
Yes.
So they still got to come back and stain the underneath of the patio here. That is not done.
And put the black.
And they got black lights that they were supposed to put up here, but they put white ones in.
So here we go, let's go on in.
So yeah, front door. Big old entryway. Got a light fixture way up there. Big tall ceiling that goes all the way through. Let me flip around for you guys. That sun is right there. That's the center dormer from outside. You can see that. And here's going to be a office. Not much to look at in here, but the office, dual doors, kind of fancy. Got black ceiling fans throughout, black doors throughout. Let's go around this way. What do you say, babe?
All right.
We'll keep it kind of moving quickly because there's not much to see. This is just another bedroom. Got a walk-in closet over there. It's got a light or a window in it. So a decent sized closet, probably about, I don't know, 5 by 7, something like that. And then over here we have got the hall bath. We got dual sinks, dual mirrors. This is just a tub and toilet, nothing fancy. And this is the simplest of the bedrooms here. This is just a standard bedroom. It's just got a basic kind of walk-in small entry closet. It's got a lot of space in it, but it's not real big.
All right, let's go down the hall.
And then this is the official guest bedroom here. It's a pretty decent sized room. Got a nice window out to the backyard. And it has got a full bath in here with a full shower.
Got our outlet.
Yeah.
Bidet.
Got an outlet powered up for future bidet installation and a decent walk-in closet there. So that's that side of the house. Now we'll go to the other side. So here is the great room. This is a nice big slider out to the back. Got a real nice fireplace, some built-ins on the side, some floating shelves, shiplapped. I got to come back and paint the trim around that still. Real big ceiling fan. Kind of,
72 inch.
yeah, nice big ceiling fan. Faux beam. Got some wood beams here into the kitchen. So yeah, we've got nice undercab lights, some decorative lighting up above in the glass cabinets. Nice headache hood vent. Already hit my head on it yesterday. I'm gonna be banging into that thing. So they got to repaint some doors on the cabinets there.
This right here is a fancy.
Got a fancy oven with a swing door. It's all connected to the internet and Alexa will work it. We got a little coffee nook over there. Nice fridgy fridge. Over here is the big dining room. Ooh, look at, we got house guests already, bro. Where did that dude come from? Seriously. It's not even springtime yet. We got bugs kicking our butts. Let's go into the pantry.
All right, let's do that.
So this is the pantry here. This is almost bedroom size. So in the pantry here, we've got a nice butcher block shelf. Can be used as a butler kitchen, is that what they call it? Or butler's pantry, where you can put some crock pots and stuff when you're entertaining. Lots of storage. And
Oh, you guys saw this, honey.
then we got more storage over there.
Oh, but wait.
And then this is my favorite part, dude, network closet. Got some work to do in there. Get my switch put in. Get all my surveillance stuff put in there.
This will be a smart house.
Get all connected. All right, so that is kind of kitchen. The wife's got a pot filler going. And yeah, nice quartz countertops. One of them farm sinks. And let's go, yeah, turn on a light. Let's go to the powder room, babe.
Okay.
Then this is a garage right here. That way to the left is garage, upstairs bonus room. This is the powder room right here. We installed some wallpaper a couple weeks ago, Lou and I.
The chandelier is still coming.
Yeah, the globe for the overhead light was broken when it arrived, so we're still waiting for that. But nothing too fancy or crazy, just a nice little powder room. And this is our mud room here. We'll get some storage going there, some coat hooks, and yeah, some baskets maybe here. And this is our laundry room. It's got a barn door going. So nice little sink, little pedestal for the laundry. Some storage overhead there. Nice big tall storage cabinets there, folding table. And then right over here is where the robot vacuum will live. And that's that. Let's go through the master bed. You want to?
Oh, sure.
Are you gonna close the door? Rubs on the carpet a little hard, huh? All right, this is the master bedroom here. So it's a pretty good size. We're finally gonna be able to fit a queen bed in one of our bedrooms. Gonna be king bed in one of our bedrooms. So another faux beam, nice big fan, vaulted ceilings. Big door going there. Let me show you guys the back door while or out the back window here. This is the back 40, all out there. And over here is the view out the back of the house onto the back patio.
I don't know what a back 40 is.
Oh, it's just farming terms.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Back 40 acres. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Master bathroom. Still got a little work to do in here. We're being a little picky about it and pushing hard. So right when you walk in, we got this big old bathtub. I'm actually going to be able to fit in. That thing's like 71 inches wide or something. Nice and deep. Little freestanding faucet there. Then over here is Lorena's World. We had them hang just one mirror. I'm going to jump on Amazon and buy a lighted mirror for over there and install that.
We need to get the containers in here.
Yeah, I gotta get all that stuff. She's got a nice little drawer. I still gotta trim it out. I got all the cups and the power outlet that goes in there. The round holes will have stainless steel cups to store hair equipment in, and then there's gonna be a power outlet in that square hole down there. So it'll all be powered and she can just close the door and put it away. But again, nice window out the back. Yeah, they're gonna fix that. I pointed it out. And then here's the The restroom for the master, it's nice and big. Gonna have a bidet in there, got power set up for that. Got a window, probably gonna need to get a curtain in there. And then here's my side. I got lots of room over there. And the master shower is what they're still fighting with. They gotta get the tile guy out here to do a little more cleanup on it. We're being a little picky about it, so he's not done yet. And then waiting for the glass to get installed, and then that'll be that. So go ahead, babe. Let's go into the master closet. Got our center island for some storage and some stacking of stuff. And this whole right side over here will be the wife's. Will be the wife's side. Lots of storage for her. Lots of cubbies for shoes and helmets and everything over there. And then my little side will be the far side over there, where I can hang whatever it is I hang. Got to get a mirror on the wall. And then go ahead and open that door, babe.
Oh, sure.
And the best part is this right here is just a straight shot from the clothes to the laundry, from the laundry back to the clothes closet. No hauling it across the house. Nothing too cray-cray there, so that's it. Oh, bonus room, forgot we have another level. Let's climb the stairs. I'll let you go first, babe. So this is a bonus room, just a space above the garage. Careful. Is that door open?
No.
This door was open when you got
Oh,
here.
yes.
Yeah, someone came last night then, because I closed this when I came down from here.
Yeah, somebody was looking through it probably.
I don't know how they got in. That's what's weird. So this is the bonus room. Yeah, nice big bonus room. Got dual ceiling fans because it's gonna get hot up here. And then it's got a real big walk-in storage area. Couldn't deck it out as a closet. If we trimmed it out with as a closed closet, we would have had to call this a bedroom. But now the inspection's done, we can do whatever we want. And yeah, then that door right behind Lorena goes into the attic. That's where all the HVAC equipment is. Got a little bit of room for storage, but not much. Nice big windows here. Looking out on the driveway, down the cul-de-sac, and out into the backyardish. But up here is just a basic vanity, toilet, simple shower enclosure. But it'd be a nice space for guests to stay in or me to move into when Lorena kicks me out. Yeah, so that's that. And let's see if I can show you guys out the front without blinding you by the sunlight. Yeah, so this is the front right here. That's the neighbors. They're over there. This is a vacant lot. They're still for sale. It's just sitting there. But that's where we're at. That's it. Come visit, please. Got lots of room. All right.